Hello guys, this is an alarm clock made by Westclox. It's made in Germany. My mother gave me that alarm clock like 17 years or 18 years ago, and she already had that alarm clock for quite some time before she gave it to me. And I like that alarm clock because the alarm is not too loud but not too soft. And the other thing is that it's going to ring for 45 minutes, not only 30 seconds but or 1 minute, but 45 minutes. And the other amazing thing is that I've replaced the battery only one time on that alarm clock. It's a standard AA battery, and since my mother had that alarm clock for quite some time, I knew she had it for quite some time, and at the time I replaced the battery, I was surprised how many years the battery went in that alarm clock before I replaced it. And I took time to put a small piece of paper. You can see the paper is yellow, and I've written March 5th 2001, and the battery inside is best to be used before January 2004. And that alarm clock is still going strong. It's not losing time, or it's really accurate, and the ringer is working fine even with a almost 10-year-old battery. And I'm posting this video because I heard on the radio somebody who had a Westclox alarm. I don't know if it was that model, but he also stated that he didn't remember when he changed the battery in his alarm clock. And I remember that I had put a small note inside mine. So here you go. I don't know what's inside this alarm clock, but it's going strong with almost a 10-year-old battery, and a battery that is supposed to be used before 2004, and it's still working great, and it wakes me up every morning. So here you go. This is my Westclox alarm